Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can be offline on Grindr. Keep watching the video till the end. To be offline on Grindr, firstly go ahead and launch open your Grindr application. The homepage of Grindr application will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the top left corner of the page. Here you can see two options, online and incognito. Now to be offline you need to tap on incognito option. Choose the offer and tap on continue. You need to pay for your offer and that's how you'll be able to be offline on Grindr quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.